How to get Vavada promo code. Now, before you logged in and deposit any amount of funds from the platform itself, you can go ahead and pull up or access up any web browser that you could use. But in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So if you head directly to vavada.com before you logged in, you should be able to see this specific option that is saying 100% bonus up to 1,010 free spins. You can also try to do this option right here without any codes. But if you already logged in and it's not the first time that you have deposited any funds, then you'll have to create a new tab and just simply type in Vivada promo code. Pretty sure that you should be able to see a lot of options in here, and you're thinking twice if those options are working or not. What you want to do is you just gotta go ahead and select this specific link right here that will take you to silentbet.com. Now, this is not an actual code that you can use, but this is just a bonus that you can go ahead and take advantage with. But this also has includes characters in it. So as you can see, you should be able to get 10 free spin without depositing any funds and just use this special character right here. So that's it. That's how you get the Vavada promo code.